welcome to OTCA Meditronics company. Today we are going to demonstrate how to use UL double bottle suction machine. This machine is used to create a suction. It can be used in a various hospital equipments requirements, and it can be used in various patient requirements. So basically we have unboxed the new machine. You can see this is the machine. We are rotating it 360 degree. This is how the machine looks like. This is a extendable handle. You can carry it like a trolley. The device is having two power plugins, and this is how our device looks like. Okay, now we are going to explain you some accessories. This is the extension tube to be connected from patient to the machine. Usually this tube is a very required and useful thing. Then we have power plugin. We have warranty card. Then we have a user manual. Company has given this is the foot switch, very important part of the machine. This is the filters can be used. These are the choking filters. These filters are connected here. We will explain you one by one all the things. This is the suction cannula. Okay, now let us start the machine. First of all, how to connect the things. This is the main power plug-in. You have to plug machine from. This is the main thing. You have to connect it here. Main supply. This is the foot switch. This foot switch is very important. You don't require to keep machine continuously on. Whenever you press the foot switch, the machine will on for a while, and whenever you release your foot from the switch, it will be off. Okay, so on the back side we have done everything. Now we are turning it here. This foot switch we are keeping it on the front side. We are going to plug in the machine. Okay, we have plugged in the machine. Now you just observe the things. These are the two bottles. Make sure these bottles are firmly tight. Otherwise, there will be the leakage of vacuum. So the machine will not be able to suck the things properly. Okay. So you just need to study this thing. When there are two bottles, you have to connect this patient tube here on this other bottle. It will be tightened, so you have to apply the tube properly. Okay, we have applied the tube. Now this tube is going to connect to the suction cannula. This is the fiber and disposable suction cannula. You can purchase reusable suction cannula from the market for the patient. So this patient side is connected from patient to bottle in, from bottle out to another bottle in, and from another bottle out. You can see this is the safety valve. Whenever the bottle fills water more than the required things, it will choke the water to go inside the machine. And see this thing, you can see this is the safety filter or safety valve. It will stop sucking whenever the liquid is filled more than its limit. It prevents the liquid to go inside the machine. This is the first safety feature of this machine. As well as this machine has provided another safety feature. We can say it as a this is the air filter valve or chockage filter. Whenever water comes inside of machine, this filter will got choked. It will not allow to go liquid or air inside. It will choke. So whenever you feel the water is overfilled and it has reached this filter, then machine will stop suctioning. So make sure this filter is properly white, otherwise it will become yellow when the liquid goes inside. So whenever you are using for a patient, make sure the bottle are not overfilled. Whenever the bottle fill, switch off the machine, empty the bottle and keep it another bottle with the cleaning. So this is the safety features. We have two standby additional filter. So by mistake, if the liquid goes inside the machine, it will stop here at a chockage filter. So you can see the machine is having pressure regulator here. You can rotate it multiple times. It is like a screw. It will release and increase the suction. You have to keep it on the right side tightly or firmly so that you can adjust the pressure. Okay, this is the pressure or vacuum gauge. We are going to switch on the machine now. See, we have started the machine. There is no suction because the suction cannula is open. Whenever you apply your finger here, it will start suctioning. So it will start suctioning. So basically, to check whether the machine is providing you proper suction, you have to keep finger over here. You can see the vacuum is started developing. Make sure all the bottle is properly fixed with their canister. You can see the pressure is developed. Now to adjust the pressure, you have to keep your finger here, and you can see the gauge is showing it is increasing. It will stop at one end and it will fix the vacuum. Now if you want to reduce the vacuum, you have to adjust this flow, regular pressure regulator. If you will decrease, then pressure will set to some other portion. You have to keep it at some point where you want to fix the vacuum. So now we have keep it at 0.06 megapascal, or else we can keep it on the higher side. It will increase the vacuum. Now the device is working properly. We are going to connect this cannula, and we have taken some water to test whether the machine is working properly or not. You can see the vacuum is clear. You can see bottle. If you want more vacuum, there is one hole provided here. You can keep finger on it. It will suck properly. It will suck fast. If you keep this open, you can see. If you will apply finger here, it will suck water properly. This is the open hole to release and apply vacuum faster. You can see entire bottle is now empty. So this is how you can suck the vacuum. You can suck any liquid from the patient throat. This is ultimately used for a phlegm, as well as this device is widely used for delivery purpose, as well as this device is used to applied while a surgery. Now we are keeping the machine off. You can see the machine is now working. Vacuum is developed. Vacuum is at 0. It will not give you continuous. Whenever you will stop the suction, then it will provide you the gauge. Otherwise it will be at 0. Whenever you close the circuit, you will come to know how much vacuum power is there. Otherwise it will be off. Otherwise if you will see, if you will keep it open, the vacuum will be, the meter will be at 0. So don't worry, machine is working. Whenever you will try to suck, it will start suctioning. You can see. So the machine is working properly. Now let us explain you the use of foot switch. You have to keep machine off from this switch. Now you just need to push the foot here. You can see. Whenever you are placing a foot, this we are explaining just with the hand. Otherwise the name of this device is a foot switch. This is used while a surgery. If you want to suck some blood during surgery, you just need to place a foot. It will on for a while and then it will off. So this is how a U-well double bottle suction machine works. We have applied Otica logo just to represent that this video is represented by Otica. Thank you very much.